Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 15 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And our prompts for this week is a stamp or seal impression. I've got this here, wax seal. Something that flies. I've got this bird. Something found in the kitchen. I've got corn. A piece of wrapping paper with bright colors. I've got this. I got this in Happy Mail. A photograph of a landmark. I've got this. I've just cut it out. And for bonus is an interesting texture. And I've got this. So I hope everybody's doing great. And without further ado, let's get started. I've already inked around this. So let's get some of this down. All right, I think I want to lay this towards the top here. And I don't know why, since I use this smaller version, I've really been drawn to the larger images. So I think I am going to do this maybe. And I can punch that out. I'm thinking I'm going to just cut off a piece of this. I can't even remember. I want to say where I got this. I think I'll do something kind of like that. Have my bird. And kind of get as much of his tail feather as I can. If I can get it all, that'd be great. Because I can cut through that as well. And I'm thinking of having my corn there. And nope, I'm thinking maybe have that up. Let me bring this up here so we can get some of this so it'll show up a little better. So I'm thinking something maybe like that. And then I can just add this down here. So let's see. I think this may be a simple one. Well, like I said, I hope everybody's doing good. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2025 CWP 15 to see what everyone else has made. Okay. I think I'll just bring that down there. And I'm just going to go around the edge. I might hit a few of the solid spots here, but I'm not going to overdo it. So I say as I make a mess. Seems to be my modus operandi this week. Let's get my bird on. I'm just gonna right now hit the bird because I should have all of it on. This is from a calendar. And so cute. And now I'll just trim off what I need to trim off. And then I can glue that part on better. right. Sometimes I think the bigger images work really well with smaller. See if I can get that down. All right, now I want my corn. I'm gonna put it down in that corner like it's feeding the bird. And now we're starting to get big birds, like big red cardinals at our bird feeder. It's so pretty. We were getting little birds, but, you know, wild birds, but little ones. Now we're starting to get all sizes. But we're not getting quite as many. I figure since it's because it's warmer weather, they're being able to find food in other places. All right, and I think I'll add this. I kind of want to get it, I'm thinking something like that. Get this down. Okay, got the kitchen. Only thing that's really left is that. See if there's anything. I could add this beauty, although I'm thinking I would want a different color. I've got some stickers. I know I want that there. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it down. And let's see what else I can find. Let's see here. Got. Thought I had some words. This. I could put that down there, kind of balance it all out. This was just a branding strip. And I will add some splatters, and I believe it will be done. This is a really easy, simple one this week. And I'm not complaining. It's been a hard week. Okay. Find my brush. And we'll just probably should have went around it before I splattered. I've been getting a lot backwards this week. Okay. I don't even care if it's very neat this time. It's been a beautiful day. It's very nice outside. I'm supposed to see a pink moon tonight. I'm filming this on Saturday. So I'm excited to see that. My son and I were talking about when he was in second grade, when they had that big meteor shower. And I woke him up. My youngest son, he would, but he wasn't probably about 4 or 5. I didn't wake him up. But he said he probably wouldn't have even remembered. But my oldest son, he remembers that, and that was so cool. I just remember, not really knowing what to expect. Saw that first star fall, and then it was just like 4th of July. It was very cool. Okay, so we have got our stamper seal, something that flies. We have got something found in the kitchen, which is corn. A piece of wrapping paper with bright colors, I've got that. Photograph of a landmark, I've got that. And an interesting texture, I've got that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. If you haven't, ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Be sure and check out my Ko-fi channel. I got a few freebies over there for you. It's listed in my description box down below. So y'all take care, and until next time, bye y'all.